All right, today we're gonna bring an iWatch band, and it comes with various links. Also, they give you the tool to remove the links. Now, here's my iWatch. It's a 44 millimeters, but they have for different measurements, and it'll be perfect. Now, this one's made of actually a stainless steel, you guys can see, so it's not gonna get rusted or anything in water. You're able to swim with it too, but I don't recommend swimming ever with links because they accumulate a lot of dirt too. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how well it looks on my hand. All right, so let's get my watch going. You guys can see in the center is where you open it up. I'm gonna open it up now. There it goes. So we got our watch going. All right, beautiful, elegant watch. Put it on. One here, one there, and then you can remove the links if you want, but looks very elegant. Push of a button opens them up, both of them, as a butterfly. I like it. Very simple, easy to install. And if you, like I said, if you want to remove links, they give you the actual tool to remove every single link and add a link. So very elegant, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.